What's going on, everybody? I'm going to show you today how to install an attic ladder up here, quick and easy. You don't even know that you can do it by yourself. You don't have to hire a contractor for this. Guaranteed you can do it with the most basic set of tools and upgrade your attic ladder. Come on, let's do this. So that's what it looks like. That's how we're gonna support this. We're gonna take it up, slide it in, and just set it straight back down on these supports. Again, remember, each one of those supports, they're not sticking out a lot, maybe half the thickness of this right here. So that's what you're gonna wanna do, make it nice and easy, up, through, and down. Now I'm gonna see if I can do this by myself or if I'm gonna have to call Holly over to help me. Let's see. Yourself, if you can do this by yourself, yes, you can put it up there by yourselves. Is it possible you're gonna get hurt? Yes. Should I have called and had my wife help me? Yes. Am I too stubborn? Yes. Not the safest thing to do with this right here, but got it done. Don't recommend you do it that way for sure. Follow the instructions and have a friend come help you. Now it's time to secure it because it's just sitting up there now. Time of day to get this done because, well, it's getting really hot out. It's 110 out there in the summer here in Texas. So let's go ahead and get these braces down and start getting it sealed up so all of our cool air is not getting sucked up. Let's get it done. So now it's time to actually install the legs that come with it. They look like this. Now I just cut these downstairs. I videoed how I did it because it says you have to use a hacksaw, but if you know this is aluminum, you can cut aluminum with a regular circular saw. We're about to do the same thing with these, and then we're gonna install them. Because this is adjustable in height, you have to cut it. Has little lines on it indicating which ones you have to do. Just make sure you're wearing safety goggles. It's aluminum, you don't wanna get it in your eye. So let's go ahead and get it done real quick. Alright, it's in, it looks good. Now it's time to do the finishing touches. What I did is I did a 1/4 inch off each side so that I have a little bit of space to make sure we have some wiggle room as the door comes down. Craftsman style. Takes exactly 14 feet, 1 3/4 nails, rigid nail gun. Let's get it put up. For getting this door done real quick, foam around all the inside of it for windows and doors so you're good to go. This is going to help make sure that none of that hot air in the attic is coming down into your house. Let's go ahead and get it done real quick.